this Systeme lesson, I'm going to show you how to set up Stripe so you can start processing credit card payments with Systeme.
Stripe is a free payment processor that will process the credit card payments for you. It works really well with Systeme. They are integrated together, so there's just a few steps to get that up and running. First thing I'll get you to do is go to Stripe and click the Start Now button and make an account. It's free to set up, no worries there. And just follow their step-by-step process to get started. The only thing we need to do before connecting it to Systeme is set up the payment methods. It's something that doesn't quite work after the fact, so we need to do it first. So I'll show you how to do that on my own account that is already set up. So up the top here is a search bar. I want you to type in payment methods. And click that first result. This page is every type of payment that you want to collect personally. So I would go down to Buy Now, Pay Later and turn on Afterpay, Klarna and Zip. I'm in Australia, so that's an option. And just check what the other ones are for your particular country, but just turn on everything you think you want to collect. Cards is on by automatic, that's fine. This is more for payment plans down the track, but you just want to set this up now before you connect. Now that you have these active and you've created a Stripe account, let's return to Systeme and connect the two together. Go up to your settings and down to payment gateways, and you'll see a blue connect button here next to Stripe. Click that and follow the instructions on screen. It may or may not ask you to log in. I've had it happen both ways. Just follow those step-by-step instructions and they will connect. Once it's connected, you'll see an email address here showing that it's connected successfully.
Stripe is just one of the payment options you can set up in Systeme. You can also set up a business PayPal account and a range of other options depending on what country you're from. I'll see you in the next video.